Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website and download it. Is ubuntu.com. Then click on download Ubuntu. See here we have the desktop, server and others. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install desktop version. Click on this download Ubuntu desktop. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 24.04.4 LTS version and its size is about 5.9 gigabytes. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 6.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Ubuntu 24.04 desktop ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Next, then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads. Then select this downloaded Ubuntu 24.04.4 ISO image. Click on next. Personalize Linux. Click on next. Provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the NS space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. Then change whatever you want, you can. Okay. If you don't select this power on this virtual machine and click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on here, right click and select settings, or select it and go to VM and select settings, or click on edit virtual machine settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Click on next. Next, select the keyboard layout language and click on next. Internet connection, use wired connection and click on next. Try or install Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu is permanent, try Ubuntu is temporary. In this video we are going to install, so select the install Ubuntu, click on next. Type of installation, interactive or automated installation. I am going to select interactive, then click on next. Applications, default or extended. In extended we have an offline friendly selection of office tools, utilities and web browser. It is up to you, then click on next. If you want to install proprietary softwares like third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, you have to select this one. Download and install support for additional formats, you have to select this one. Then click on next. Disk setup, erase disk and install. Because this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install. Or if you want to configure manually, you can select manual installation. It is up to you, then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving username as after schools. This is user full name and this is the username. And this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. Set the password. Confirm the same. If you have an active directory, select the checkbox. Otherwise, keep it as it is. And next, select the time zone. Search here, or you can select on this globe. Okay. Then click on next. See, these are the choices that I have selected. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. The installation is completed. Now click on restart now. Click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Click on next. I don't want to enable Ubuntu Pro, so skip for now. I don't want to share system data, it is up to you. Then click on next. Finish. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size of the terminal. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 24.04.4 LTS version. If you want to verify the IP of the machine, ifconfig. See, ifconfig not found, but we can get the IP address by running ip-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Or you can install this net tools. So install it. See, we got the IP address. Okay. The next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. It is done. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version on VMware workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.